Hi class, today we are going to simplify fractions to its fullest extent. Our first fraction is going to be 6/4. It's usually written like this, but the correct way we're going to write it is going to be 6/4. And we know that this line means divide. So how many times can 4 go into 6? So that's going to be 1 time. And then we're going to take, since we took 4 in that 1 time already, you're left with 2, turning around, fourths, and that's the first step.
Alright, thank you very much, Miss Jillian. So she got us down to 1 and 2/4 right there. And so we can reduce this a little further, actually. So if we look at this, 2 and 4, there's a common denominator between the two, which is 2. And so if you look at it, 2 fits into 2 just 1 time, and 2 will fit into 4 2 times. So simply reduce 2/4 to 1/2 and keep the 1 there. You have 1 1/2.
Thank you, Mr. Akage. Now that we've gotten down to 1 1/2, some problems, the fraction is okay, but there are other problems where we need a decimal. So to get to a decimal, we need to remember that between the numbers 1 and 2, there are 10 what we call tenths places. And so these are different parts of the number that are smaller than 2 but larger than 1. And if we think about it, if we have the number 10, what is half of 10? Well, 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So if we go to put this into tenths, or into decimal form, I guess is what I should say, is we then take half of the tens away, so you're left with 1.5. Now that we have gone over how to convert 6/4 into 1.5, we can now understand how to make easier measurements for different applications in life, and we can also move on to more advanced fractions and convert them into decimals.